Paralel berarti sepadan, yaitu sisi kiri sama dengan sisi kanan. Contohnya adalah kiri adjektif maka kanan adjektif. Contoh kalimat smart and pious. Kiri clause maka kanan clause. Contohnya she loves reading and I like writing. Kiri past tense, kanan past tense. Contohnya he found a job and built a new house. Selanjutnya adalah same grammatical forms. Kata kunci dalam parallel construction adalah kesamaan bentuk gramatika atau same grammatical forms. Yang pertama ada noun and noun, contohnya she likes linguistic, art, mathematics, and music. Yang kedua ada gerund and gerund, contohnya I like reading, writing, swimming, and traveling. Yang ketiga ada adjective and adjective, contohnya ada he is persistent, dog, and popular. Yang keempat ada to infinitive and to infinitive, contohnya I want to visit the most beautiful place and to eat the most palatable dish. Yang kelima ada past tense and past tense, contohnya I prefer and publish my writing by myself. Yang keenam ada past perfect tense and past perfect tense, contohnya he had performed a prayer and had read the Holy Quran when I left him. Parallel structure. Prinsip paralel tidak berubah, yaitu harus sepadan. Struktur paralel umumnya lekat dengan kehadiran kata penghubung atau konektor seperti and, but, as, or, then, dan also. Yang pertama ada and, contohnya she is smart and likable. Kedua but, contohnya the woman is not weak but strong. Yang ketiga as, contohnya going to a concert may be as costly as going to a movie. Yang keempat ada or, contohnya he wants to buy a new computer or the Ren wants to accomplish his undergraduate thesis. Yang kelima ada then, contohnya fishing in the sea is more fun than playing game at home. Yang keenam ada although, contohnya although he liked to read good books, he didn't like to pay high price for it. Parallel construction in a nutshell. Di atas telah dikemukakan konsep-konsep dasar parallelism secara singkat. Antara lain, yang pertama ada coordinate conjunction, yaitu and, contohnya I like swimming and reading. Selanjutnya or, contohnya you make when to stay at home or go to movie with us. Selanjutnya ada but, contohnya the order will be ready not at noon but at 2 p.m. Yang keempat adalah paired conjunction, yaitu but and. Contohnya we knew but where you went and what you did. Selanjutnya ada either and or, contohnya either Joe or John has the access to the meeting. Selanjutnya adalah neither and nor, contohnya the dean is neither in his office nor in the meeting room. Selanjutnya adalah not only but also, she is not only a remarkable writer but also an outstanding speaker. Yang ketiga adalah comparison, yaitu more than, contohnya to be kind is better than to be important. Selanjutnya ada as, adjective, and as, yaitu you are as nice as your father. Selanjutnya ada be the same as, contohnya renting a house costs about the same as leasing it. Selanjutnya ada be similar to, contohnya the verse that I read is similar to the verse that she read.